In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to check the frame rate, also known as FPS, of any video file. And this method is 100% free and works across every platform: Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, everywhere. So you want to navigate into the video frame rate checker provided by Borumi and select choose file. Then I can select whatever video file I want to analyze. And as you can see here, we get the frame rate, in this case 60 FPS, and also some tips. In this case, for example, we can see that we have a high frame rate, which is ideal for smooth recordings. And also it's a fixed frame rate, which is good if we want to use the video, for example, for editing. I can also show you with another video. In this case, it's a screen recording. And here we see a few differences. First of all, the frame rate is 56.74. It means that it's not exactly 60 FPS. And this is common with screen recordings because recorders don't typically use a very precise cadence. You can find the link to the tool in the description and in the first comment. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you. By the way, if you're creating educational content like tutorials, video courses, and product demos, you should really check out Borumi, as it allows you to create amazing looking videos without the hassle. It provides all the tools you will need to create the video, ideating, recording, and editing all in one solution. And this can save so much time when creating videos. If you're interested, you can visit borumi.com to find out more.